also. So I would like to share a few words regarding the artificial intelligence in science and technology. That will definitely help you in the different domains, how it is navigating the complexities and innovations. We always ready to face challenges in technology transmissions. The artificial intelligence also in the same line of changes. I would like to explain the each domain, how it is affecting technology and science, this artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence, not only the single field, it affects all the domains, science, technology, healthcare, cyber security, in all different fields, it will get affected. So let us take some examples on the scenarios, how it is getting affected. Here, if you consider the healthcare, AI algorithms are used to predict patient outcomes, personalize the treatment plans, assist in early detection of diseases like cancer through advanced image analysis. So already we do have some current technologies to identify the healthcare issues. By using the integrating with artificial intelligence, the outcomes and personalized treatment plans, that that will definitely change a lot. I will tell you one example of how it is affecting the healthcare systems. Let us take one example how the chat GPT is taking advantage of the healthcare just without any LLM models trained, data sets trained. Just by seeing one experiment, ChatGPT showed a moderate accuracy on United States medical license exam, USMLE. The USMLE consists of 3 exams. ChatGPT was reported to perform at or near passing threshold for all 3 exams without any specialized training or the reinforcement. See, this is the one of the research article published regarding the artificial intelligence effect in the healthcare without any training of the data sets, just by giving the exam to as an input, all the exams, 3 exams, it nearby the threshold. That is one of the major challenge, how the technology has been changed with the help of the artificial intelligence. So I am moving to ethical considerations. See, ethical challenges include ensuring AI systems make decisions without bias and respect user privacy. This is also the one of the major challenge. So by using the artificial intelligence algorithms, we may use the so many softwares in the different fields of the government. The assessment of judiciary have faced a criticism for a group of biases, illustrating the critical need for the ethical AI or oversight. Let us take one example. When in the judiciary system, using a one software in any of the government, which is relevating the giving the judgments or the inputs based on the some groups or some races, it may get affected or criticized in that particular field. If the AI oversight, the AI algorithm pick up that one and then generate the result, then there is no criticism or bias on the particular areas. So in future, all the risk assessment algorithms or all the judiciary, like any government used softwares, they may go and integrate with the artificial intelligence. So data privacy and security. With AI's resilience on big data, ensuring the privacy and the security of user information is paramount. So there is an example for this. The Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal exposed the risks of data misuse, emphasizing the need for secure AI data practices. So once we do have the big data for different organizations, for different medical, government, other government related, private, so many data is there. So there is a need for the data privacy and security by using the AI data practices. That is the need to integrate while using the AI practices in data privacy and security. The other domain which is going to affect immediate effect, that is the job displacement and economic impact. AI automation poses a challenges employment, requiring shifts in workforce skills and job roles. The introduction of AI in automotive manufacturing, such as Tesla's automated production lines, showcases the shift towards the high-tech jobs, necessitating workforce reskilling. Not only this automatic, in each development area, or even teaching, or even in other fields also, the tech current tech jobs need to be reskilled with AI. Otherwise, they may go out from the same domain, because those who are reskilled with the AI, they can only able to use the PaaS services, SaaS services, because those are integrated with the artificial intelligence background. So now if you use in such a technique, any website, the data by searching some information like like in English, you are searching a name or something or some information. The data will be coming from the Google, because the background is running a algorithm. But in some nowadays, if it is integrated with the AI, it may come from the cognitive search. It may come from the different algorithms. So those who do have aware of the artificial intelligence as a PaaS service, then they can only be survive in the information technology development areas, or not only the development in other functional areas also in the information technology field. Like that, each field get affect, and also the economy impact based on the resource and the tools that they are using. AI and environmental impact. The environmental footprint of training a large AI model is growing concern, arguing sustainable AI development practices. The training of OpenAI's GPT-3 model requires significant energy resources, raising questions about the environmental sustainability of large-scale AI projects. So, if it is ChatGPT or the GPT-3 or 4 or OpenAI, any tools, those tools, those tools regarding the environmental projects or any other projects also required artificial intelligence known people, otherwise it won't be survive. These are the challenges which we need to embed into the our daily life, our daily professional practices. Research and development challenges, this is also one of the major area where it will get immediate effect. Overcoming the technical limitations of AI models to enhance their understanding and interaction capabilities is a key challenge. Google's AI project DeepMind has made a breakthrough in protein folding with the AlphaFold, showcasing the potential of AI to solve the complex biological problems. This is one of the example. But in the real life, also in the research and development, nowadays, if you see, go to the any of the publishing articles, they clearly mention don't use the um, no, open AI tools or the chat GPT like tools to read the papers or to survive the research papers. So to give the peer review comments also, they clearly mention like that what is the effect of the OpenAI, what is the effect of the artificial intelligence. Governance and regulations. Developing international standards and regulations for the artificial intelligence use is essential for ethical and secure global deployment. This is for sure because there is a need to change the governance and regulations because new techniques, because of this artificial intelligence, new techniques, with that one they simply use those techniques. So to mitigate that problem, the government has to be regulate. There is an example for that one. European Union General Data Protection Regulation include provisions for AI and automated decision making, setting for precedent for AI governance. I can say one more example. So, in March 2019, cyber criminals were able to use a deep fake to fool the CEO of a UK-based energy firm into making a US 234K dollars wire transfer. This is happened with the help of the deepfake. So deepfake also involve voice phishing, also known as wishing. So by the evolution of the artificial intelligence, deepfakes, it may be the video, it may be the audio, it may be the voice also. So they can able to easily mitigate the person or CEO like that in voice calls. So to do this, to control these things, government has to revisit the governance and regulations. Solutions and moving forward. So by evolving technology changes, the solutions include ethical artificial intelligence frameworks, international cooperation of standards, and public engagement in artificial policy development. So we need to always provide solutions and moving forward with the help of the artificial intelligence. For that, so the ethical frameworks need to be collaborate with the governments and as well as the corporate companies. Suppose in 2024, across the world, we do have the around 70 plus general elections or different elections are there. By using the artificial intelligence, creating a fake or deep fake images or animations or voice that may affect the democratic process of electioneering. So people may not, all people may not recognize whether it is a deep fake or not. By giving a simple advertisement on top right corner as CR, that also impossible to identify a common man whether it is a deep fake or not. So that in such a situations, the solution include ethical artificial intelligence framework. The corporate organizations won't involve in such a process, in such process, because that is the public engagement. So there should be some ethical things which they need to follow. These are the changes coming across in different fields by using the artificial intelligence. Uh, any questions? Hello, are you able